These comments can be very distracting, especially when you're working on a document and you want to finish it as quickly as possible. Fortunately, Google Docs allows you to hide this comment, at least temporarily, when you want to focus on your work. So here's how you can do it. First, you have to go to the View menu and then navigate to Comments and then click Hide Comments, or you can also use this keyboard shortcut if you want to. And there you go. Now all the comments are gone. Well, they're not really gone because they're just being hidden, and therefore you can always reopen those comments again when you are done with the work, and you can make some adjustments later. To reopen that comment, you can always click on the View menu again, Comments, and Expand Comments. However, I highly recommend to just use the minimized version because in my opinion that just less distracted, but also still giving me an info about the state of the document, so I can see the suggestions that are being suggested by my coworkers. So I think this is still very useful, but hey, it's totally up to you. If you want to hide all the comments, that's totally possible. So anyway, that's basically how you can hide comments in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.